Today in this video we are going to create a birthday wishing app. Okay, birthday wishing application using Kotlin. Okay, in previous videos I am using Java to develop Android application. This is the first video where I create a app using Kotlin. Okay, so let's get start the video. At first run Android Studio. Okay, press the window start button and here type Android and let's run the Android Studio. Okay, the Android Studio is starting. Just wait few seconds to create a new project. So let's close the project and create a new project. We will choose the empty activity as the template. Click next and here take the name of your app, birthday wishing, and use the language as Kotlin and finish it. And here the Gradle build is running. It create our project. Because my laptop is slow, that's why the Gradle build take too much time. Just wait guys. You wanna sleep, you can sleep because the Gradle build is running. Let's sleep together. Gradle build to run jaldi se ho ja bhai. Fast bro, what are you downloading? This is not good. This is not good, Gradle. I don't like you. I don't love you, Gradle. Oh, finally our Gradle build process finished, and Android Studio give us those files where here is our main activity and here is our layout main activity.kt, because this is a Kotlin file, so the extension is kt. And let's go to res and layout. Here we have our activity main.xml layout. So Android Studio give us one activity and the corresponding layout. Okay, we are going to make an birthday wishing application. So basically we are going to create two activity, where the first activity take the input from the user, his or her name, and we pass the name value to the next activity and wish him or her happy birthday. Okay, so let's create another activity which is also a empty activity, and the activity will be greet activity. Okay, or wishing activity, wishing activity. Okay, and after all Gradle running and finish so fast, and we get our two activity, which is main activity and wishing activity. So now let's go to the design section. Okay, let's cut them, and here is our first page design. Okay, so at first let's delete it, the hello world. We don't need hello world. Hello world, bye bye, see you soon. In this activity we take the input user name. Okay, so let's create the design. Here we get take a text view. Text will be enter your name below. Okay, below we have to take a plain text. Our user can input the text or his or her name. So this is the input text field. The text will be nothing. Here the id is input text. Okay, and we give a hint as enter your name. Okay, and we need a button to submit it and go to next activity. So here we take a button and constrain it. Okay, so this is the layout, button id, and here is the button text. Let's change it as create create grid, and let's change the color. Let's change the button color because I don't like this color. Background tint you can change here, that's good. Okay, so our first activity layout done. After that, let's design the activity wishing, the wishing activity. So in this activity we basically greet the user. I download a picture from the internet, and this is the picture. I use this picture in my application. To use the photo, just copy the photo and let's go to our project, and here in res directory go to drawable directory and paste the photo in drawable. Okay, we pasted the photo successfully. Now let's go to our second activity layout, and here just go to the design section and drag and drop the image view and choose the bdy image. Just click OK and it will automatically take our picture in the activity. At first this is wrap content, height, width, so change it to match parent because we are going to use the photo in our full screen. Now constrain the photo because we are using constraint layout. Sorry, slowly. Okay, after all, the photo can't cover the full screen. Here we see white. So to fix this we have to write a code. Okay, so the code is scale type, Android scale type, center crop. Okay, now see, wow, it covered the full screen. So I don't know why this is a center crop, but I think this crop the photo centerly and until the photo cover all the screen, it crop. You understand? So that's why this is center crop. And we're done. Now we need a text view. Okay, so drag and drop the text view, constrain it slowly, constraint. Here you see this, if you drag it downwards, so our text view going downwards. If you drag it upwards, so our text view going upwards. So we need the text view this position, so we take this vertical bias in this position. Now we have to change the font because we can't see what this is actually. So we give the text as happy birthday, just for see the style. Okay, birthday. Now let's change the id as greet user. Okay, and now we have to change the font. So type font, go to font family, and here you get more fonts, and here you can choose your choice. I chose this because I like this. Okay, and it will change, but we can't see now. So to see the font, let's change the color of the text. So it is the text color, and I like this. Okay, so we see some text, but it will be more clear. So let's uh, increase the size of the text font. Okay, so just search size. You will, here we will get the text size. So 34. Oh, op. Here you can see that happy birthday. Okay, the font is op. Finally we done our layout part. Now let's go to our main activity and wishing activity. In our main activity, we take the user name, and after clicking the button, we pass the user name to next activity, and here we see the name happy birthday dash dash dash. Okay, so this is our plan. So at first let's create the on-click method, because we perform the whole operation using this button click. So here I write down a on-click. Let's write once again. So on-click, just type O and C. Here Android Studio suggests us kata. Here Android Studio suggests us on-click, just enter. Sorry, and here you have to type the method which will work your operation. Okay, so just go to, this is my function. Okay, so create, go to view in main activity, just click this, and it will automatically create a function in our main activity. So now let's write down some code here which will do our work. At first let's get the edit text. So val, the id is, what is the id? Input text. Okay, so val input text is equal to find view by id. This is a edit text, and the id is r.id.input text. So we get or find view the id. Now let's get the input in a variable. Okay, so val name is equal to input text dot get string, input text dot get editable text. Okay, get editable text dot to string. Okay, so in variable name we get the user input text. Now we have to use intent to go to the next activity, and that's okay. So val intent is equal to intent. So this is our activity, and we wanna go to wishing activity. wishing activity class.java. Okay, so that's all about intent, and we have to start the activity intent. That's all. We go to next activity. Before going to next activity, we have to take the value of the name, input text name. Okay, so we are going to pass the data using put extra. Okay, so intent dot put extra, here our value is name. We use name, and we pass the value name. So name match name. Okay, now let's go to wishing activity. Here we have to get the value which we pass in previous activity. So val get name is equal to intent dot get string extra, where our name is name. Okay, reminder that this string is this string. You have to match this and this, otherwise you can't get the value from previous activity. Now we get the value, so now let's set the value as happy birthday user name. Okay, or happy birthday dash dash dash. So that is now, so we have to first declare the text view. This is a text view whose id is greet user. So val greet user is equal to find view by id, which is text view, and the id is r.id dot greet user. So we find the text view in this activity. Now let's set the text view as happy birthday dash dash dash. So greet user dot set text happy birthday plus get name. Okay, so that's all about our happy birthday wishing application. Okay, so now let's run the application. Here I use my physical device, so I have to run the strcpy tool strcpy.exe, and this is my cute wallpaper. Okay, you know, this is cute. The boy is too cute. Now let's run. ग्रेडल विल्ड बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं, बहुत अच्छे से ये रन करता है, बट मेरे कंप्यूटर में ये बहुत स्लोली काम करता है. So take a nap until the Gradle build. Oh, this is too fast. Okay. Oh, by the way, enter your name below. The text is too much little. Just let's size, text size 16. That's good. Now let's apply changes and restart activity. Okay. Enter your name below. So my name is Sajul, and Please don't crash, please, please, please. Okay, 1 2 3. Don't crash, please. What happened? Nothing. Why? Why? Guys, nothing happened. What's wrong with me? Start activity मैंने तो start कर दिया. Let's find out what happened. Go to logget. रुक बेटा, दिखने तो दे. I don't understand what happened. Let's run again. Okay, type your name and create grid. Nothing happened. Why nothing happened? Quizing activity dot class java intent. इंटेंट काज करছে সেটা কি? I just click this and go to next activity, so our intent is working. Now let's uncomment this all, and here also everyone comment. I'm sad, please run, please run. Now let's run it again. There is no error, man. But why it is not working? I don't understand. So enter the name Sajal and create grid. Oh, what a surprise! What happened? I just comment out and comment. What the fuck? Why? I don't know. That's why programmers going mad, you know. This is the main problem. Our code is okay, but in previous, when I run the application, I stuck in main activity. Okay, so you see what happened. That's why I am getting mad day by day. That's not a problem. Programmers are mad. So basically our app is done, and now you see the app is OP. कितना क्यूट ऐप होता है. किसने बनाया इतना क्यूट? मैंने बनाया. ओके, सो बताओ थैंक यू इसको. बताओ भैया को थैंक यू. ओके, सो थैंक यू, मैं बता दिया. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, just hit the like button, and also hit the subscribe button to stay tuned with me, Sajal. You know who is Sajal? This is this guy. Okay, so that's all about. So see you again. Bye bye.